Courtney DePalma at the TCT Show in Birmingham. We had a great question come in from the University of Limerick about what is GE doing to reduce post-processing steps for AM hardware. It's a great question and a really complicated one with a complicated answer. The short version is it's very much customer and application dependent. For different industries, you might have different requirements. We are working to reduce our surface finish post-processing by evaluating a suite of external vendors who have different post-processing techniques that we can compile a catalog or database to offer to our customers as surface finishing options. Building in the as-built condition for your critical surfaces is always the best recommendation to go forward. The second, for heat treatment, that is very much material dependent. We work very hard to have our material properties meet or exceed those of castings. If those are sufficient for your needs, then you might be able to forego some of the heat treatments. Otherwise, standard heat treatment applications would apply just as with casting or any other industry. Thanks so much for the question, and we'll see you next time.